Welcome to Auto Ricambi's taillight circuit board replacement video. First we need to remove the original circuit boards. Getting the carpet out of the way helps. The right circuit board has 2 connectors and the left one has 3 connectors, and we will be reusing the black plastic holder, so that's why we need to remove them first. Each side has 4 plastic clips that have to be kind of pushed out of the way, and then the whole circuit board and its holder can be removed. Then we need to drill out the 2 rivets. Go slow, make sure that it doesn't go through. And once those rivets are drilled out, then we can use a screwdriver to pop the old circuit board loose. Once it's cleaned up, we can insert the new circuit board, put the rivets in, and then use a rivet gun to pull in the rivets. Might as well use new LED bulbs, and each bulb is shown in their respective place where it needs to go. They are all different because they are different color and different wattage, so all 4 of them is actually a different bulb. It's very easy to put them in, just insert and twist. Once they are all installed, we can install the board and holder into the taillight and make sure all 4 clips click in place so they hold everything securely. And remember, the right taillight has 2 connections, whereas the left taillight has 3. Once everything is buttoned up, we can try out, make sure everything works.